Ugh. Hello everybody, hope you had a good Christmas. This is actually shot after the video that I've just put together, but there's one little thing that I just want to show you that my wife actually got me for Christmas. I think it's absolutely brilliant, so here we go. I love that. It's made by a company called Original Metalwork UK, and I think it's just worth mentioning. I absolutely love that, so I'm going to stick that to the side of the shed and then enjoy the rest of the video. I love it. Cheers, wife. Happy Christmas. Aww. So the main focus today is to fit these wings, which have been custom made. I've been thinking about these for a while now, and the guy that actually makes these is a chap called Paul Fairweather. Which I'll tag him and his Instagram down below. But he is from Brighton, which is way down south to where I am in Stoke. And but the opportunity came up the other week because he was travelling up to drop off some other wings for somebody else as well. And so I jumped on that opportunity, or jumped on that chance, and got them. So I'm very impressed with him at the moment. The finish on them is unbelievable. I just can't wait to get these fitted to the car and see what they look like. The problem I have at the moment is where do I put the side indicator, which as far as I'm aware is an MOT requirement. I've got a couple of options. I can drill or cut this out here and have what the 370Z has. That's typical, isn't it? Raining as soon as I start. So the 370Z, where it has its Z badge there, is also an indicator. The 350Z has a cut here where there's a little side indicator. I don't like the look of that, and I want a more cleaner look. The other option is have something here. So on the front bumper of the GTR, I think it has, there's like a reflector on the, obviously on the front bumper, and people replace that with LED markers or something or other like that. I can potentially have something like that here, but it's just then mounting it here. And interestingly enough, the I don't know my Volkswagens, but the VW T6 thing has on its wing like an indicator as well, which almost looks like the shape of this, and it is trying to have something like that here. But lastly, the other way is that I run the wire in and just tuck it behind this piece here, so when it goes in for an MOT I can just clip it in and be legal for the road for an hour. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting them fitted today. And also, excuse the mess, I don't have a garage. I'm going to be fitting this W brace here. Mine's, last time I remember, was a little bit corroded, should we say. Common problem on the 350Zs. I actually picked this one up used. Why it's been painted blue, I don't know. This in fact is actually the Ultra Racing one, which you normally see in white. I was going to paint it again, but the chances are it's going to scrape all over the road anyway, so it's probably got to come off at another time anyway. So I'll probably paint it black, but for the time being it can just go on as blue and get through its MOT. So that's the plan today. I've also had a windscreen replaced, so I need to fit all these trims, which are all here, and wheel arch liner trims as well. Got to fit them, I must remember to do them. So that's the plan today. Got about 6 hours to do it, probably 5 hours now, and probably got about 5 hours to do it now. So I need to get a shift on, get the car jacked up, start replacing the wing, start stripping it, getting all these bits on, and then at some point I can start taking it in for its MOT. Get the MOT done, then it's road legal, and then I might wrap it, which is right here. So that's the plan. Okay, the first thing I've got to do is take the bumper off, take the wheels off, take the skirts off, and then I can get to, I think there's 2 bolts just underneath there, row bolts at the top. So 1, 2, through. Probably headlight out as well, and I can get the wing off. I couldn't get off in the end, so it actually just started breaking away, so I'll have to get that out, and then I'll just have to re-secure that and make it look better. I've just got to get to these two bolts. So underneath that holds your side skirt on is a row of bolts like that one all the way across, so take them out, so that skirt should just come off. And then to get the wing off, there's another bolt just there. Yeah, if you loosen that off, you can just hook the wing underneath it, like so. I think that's another one just there. I'm going to take it out anyway. I think. Right, I've loosened the side skirt. Just need to get those two 10mm out, and then hopefully the wing comes out then. Oh, yeah, it's nearly there. Okay, hopefully all these nuts and bolts line up. Everything's bolted in, so before I start tightening everything up, I'm going to close the bonnet. Probably take those two out for the time being, because I don't want to slam it and then knacker my bonnet up. it'll do. In all seriousness, no, the lines of it are actually pretty good. I mean, that bit there sticking up, if you have a look at the other side, does the same on the other side anyway.
Ugh.
I never had the problem before of catching the arches on the front, but I've lowered it, so I'm going to play it safe, take the spacers off, because the last thing I want to do is hit a bump and wreck these wings. Okay, so it didn't go to plan to get the wings done in 6 hours, or the whole list of things that I had to do in 6 hours. So I managed to get the wings done. So these are the old ones. It was just easier just to get some new wings. That's why these custom wings came up, so I thought I'd have them. So it's rusted on here, rusted along here, on the inside, gone all a bit crispy. That one's actually starting to rust there, if it will focus. So he's even bubbling underneath the paint there. So it was just easier just to replace the wings, get them sprayed up and fit them, and have something a little bit different at the same time. So that's the wings. We can move out of the way. Crunch. Just finished editing the video. I've actually realised I've not shown you the actual wings themselves, so I'll go out in my pyjamas and I'll show you. So I took the spacer out on the front, so I'll probably get a 5mm spacer in that. But I like how open they are, so I need to put the wheel arch liner in, cut it so it doesn't show there, and obviously get the badge. Sexy. There you go. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like the video and subscribe for more future content. Thank you.